Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Chalk Couture, and I'm super excited because today I'm going to share with you this Hip Dad box frame just in time for Father's Day. For this project, you'll need a 5.5 by 7.5 box frame. We'll use the dark wood side. You also need the Fawn Chalkology paste. For tools, we'll be using squeegees, the multi-tool, the fuzzing cloth, and scissors, which we're going to cut apart the hashtag dad life and just use the Hip Dad. Now, I love this wood texture and it works perfect. So this is from the pattern blocks. We're going to cut apart just the wood texture there and start our project. Now, because we're using this on a box frame, which is wood, we want to make sure we fuzz a brand new transfer about 5 times on the rough side of the fuzzing cloth. You don't want to peel up any of that wood on your box frame. I'm also going to place the Hip Dad in the center so I know where I want my wood borders. So we're going to make sure this is centered in our box frame, and using some placement tape, I'll give myself a little bit of a border. This way I know my wood transfer doesn't block the Hip Dad, but it's nice and straight. We can now put that wood texture right up to the placement tape and use a 4-inch squeegee to make sure this is on nice and secure. Because our box frames have a little bit of a frame around it, sometimes your transfer might not be on there good enough and it will seep and give you a pooling effect. So you want to make sure you do not do that. Now, since we only used half of the wood transfer, we can flip it down and reverse it, put it on the top, and do the same exact process. Make sure it's on there nice and secure. Put that fawn paste on, and voila, reveal. Look at how amazing that looks. Remove that placement tape, and we're ready to put paste on Hip Dad, because whose dad isn't hip? I know I'm a hip dad. My babies might be fur babies, but I'm still a dad. Remove that, and I wanted to finish this with a little border, so I'm going to make sure this is nice and dried using the cool setting. Time to grab my favorite transfer of all time, the Endless Love Laughter Laundry C-Size Transfer. I've never actually used any part of this transfer but this cute border, and I use it pretty much everywhere I can. We will actually put this on the top and bottom, and it just finishes off that wood transfer perfect. So this way the wood is nice and finished and kind of separates it from the Hip Dad. Look at that. Because we only used that one end, we can now use the other end. This transfer is pretty beat up. I'm gonna have to replace it soon, but I love the look of the 3 lines, and just look at the end result, you guys. This is probably one of my favorite projects of all time, and it's so simple. I love it, and what dad wouldn't want this for Father's Day? Look at the completed project. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel. All the links are down below. Thanks, everyone. Bye.